how to use welcome pickups promo codes to save on airport transfers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about welcome pickups. I'm going to be showing you how you can apply different promo codes so that you can save money on your airport transfers. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before we begin, I just want to say that if you don't have any promo codes or discount codes, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find a bunch of different promo codes and discount codes available. So having said that, let's move on with the video. So first things first, we want to come over here onto our website, and then we want to select our route. So we're going to come over here and I'm going to select some routes. So first I'm going to go with LAX, and then I'm going to go to the John Wayne Airport, right? Pickup date is going to be 10 and 9:20, and then click on continue. Let's see whether or not it's available. And here we go. So this is our order. This is our flight number. We can add that over here. I'm the main passenger. This booking is for another person. You add everything over here: your full name, your email address, your phone number, and if you have some other options, you can add them as well. And this is how it would look like. Then you just simply hit the continue button. You see right here, we have the quote and transfer, and then we have the payment section next. Then we can go ahead and move on. So we do need to add all of this. So I don't have my flight number. Now I don't know my flight number, but I'll just add whatever I can and move on. But okay, so we'll just go ahead and move on. I don't think we can move on, so we do need to add everything over here. But yeah, once we've added everything else, we come across the main page. There we can add the promo codes. It'll have like this button right over here at the bottom that'll say add promo code or discount code. You can just click on it and type in the promo code and you should be good to go. So there you go. It's pretty simple, right? So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.